To perform inspections, you'll use the Eagleview drone app, so let's get that set up and ready. To begin, unlock the iPad and locate the app on the home screen. Verify that you are still connected to the internet on your iPad. Then tap the app to launch it. Tap Sign In. Next, to allow the app to use Okta for validation of your login credentials, tap Continue. In this pop-up window, you'll need to enter your account information. Your username is an email address and, of course, a password.
Pro tip: the email address to be entered here is what has been provided to Eagleview. In most cases, check the back of the iPad for a sticker to identify the email account you'll need access to. While our drone specialists were provisioning your kit, this email account received an account activation email. Those same credentials, email address, and the password you set from activating your account is what you'll enter here.
Once you have email address typed in, select Next. Then fill in the password and tap Sign In. Read and accept the responsibilities that come with operating a drone and being the pilot in charge. The app will then prompt you to enter the passcode for the device, an added security feature. Once that is completed, you'll enter the upcoming job screen. Now, Eagleview drone app is set up, and we can continue our journey of getting ready to fly that first roof.